Guys, I'm so satisfied, alhamdulillah, with this package over here. Welcome to the third part of the Hot Wheels reward cars. Let's get started. Okay, so unfortunately I don't have like the setup, and we're not going to make the test. Okay, so I'm just gonna review the cars and let's get started. Yeah, so I'm going to pick randomly. Okay, this one. I thought I forgot another one. And then this one. So we still have 4 cars left, okay? Which means 2 videos. Okay. Trying to guess the car. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. So I have no idea what type of car will I have. Wait, I see a orange color. Wait, is that a radial? Maybe it's Diesel Boy. I'm not sure. Well, let's get started. Wait. So normally, when I open the package, because I skipped, I don't look at the card. So we got this. Now you're ready, guys. Oh my god. What the heck are you doing here? That's Creeper? Something... Wait, that's Street Creeper. Yo, this guy had been like in the game. I forgot about the game, but still. We're gonna get to that car later. Beautiful. But I was expecting more than this guy, obviously, guys. Let's see this one. This one, I feel like they have a wing or something. Oh, and by the way, wait. That's the 4th car, right? Well, actually, I don't care, but still. That's it. Let's see. So that thing, as always, check it out. So I was actually thinking about what this car could be, the name of this car, or the one that you see over here, over here. So, and I said that maybe it's bulletproof. I'm not sure. Wait, it's Bone Shaker. I know it's Bone Shaker. What in the world is this car? Nah, no. I really thought that was Bone Shaker, but I'm not sure. What's this car? And is it like CFH25? I need to Google it. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Wait. The name is CFH25. Yo, that's actually the most craziest name I've ever seen in my life. Wait, hold on, no. Great Godspeed. Okay. Yeah, as you saw on the phone, so it's Great Godspeed. I hate when actually they don't put the name underneath. Wow, beautiful. I kinda admit it's a beautiful car. Okay. Let's review them. Let's start with Street Creeper. Okay. Yeah, that's Street Creeper. So it's another like spider car thing. It's like a Halloween, and you could see that's already like the paint is being removed. So this is what I hate. I love to see my cars new. This thing has actually one place where you can drive. I hope you can see this. Hold on. Yeah, and 2 seats available. Beautiful car, I admit that. And the problem is that it's open wheel, and that's bad for the cars, for the boosters especially. There you go. Okay, beautiful. That's satisfying. Let's see. Great. I forgot the name already. I don't have much to say, this guy is so awesome and also different. It had like a different style. Check out his exhausts over here and other exhausts here. Yeah, it's a different car. 4 seats. Oops. Underneath. Yeah, I see you don't have something. But I really love it. It reminds me of a game called Burnout Legends on the Nintendo. Yeah, back then as a kid. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful. And it's like a kind of hot road car. Check it out. Well, beautiful car. There you go. Yeah, Shark Cruiser. Do you remember the guy? Well, if you didn't, link in the description below. If you haven't, sorry, watch the review, make sure to do so. So that's it for today's presentation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. See you guys on another part. Yeah, we still have 4 packages. 2 reviews. Each review has 2 cars, okay? I hope that we'll actually get nice cars. I'm really looking forward to have like the riveted, yeah. This guy. So yeah, enjoy. Bye.